Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a Boxycharm pop-up haul. So if you want to see exactly what I got during this month's Boxycharm pop-up store, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. And this is the box that it came in. It's a simple brown box. And it does show Boxycharm on it. And also show my address. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. Let's see, what did I purchase? Okay, when you open it up, you will get the packing list. This just shows exactly what's in the box. Okay. The first thing I see is Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. And this is what it looks like. Open it up. And this is it. Okay. Okay, this is the next thing that's in the box. Let's see what it is. Okay. This is the BECCA, Khloe, and Mailka Bronze Blush and Glow Palette. And this was the outside looks like. Ooh, these are beautiful shades. Okay, that's what they look like. Highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. Okay. The next thing I see that I purchased is the Pretty Rich Too Faced Diamond Light Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is it. Love the packaging. Let's see how you open. Oh, okay. You just open it right there. That's a mirror, and those are the shadows. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. I can't wait to get in this. Beautiful packaging. The next thing I purchased was Glam Glow. And this is mask and moisturizer. So you got a clear for clarifying, firm, hydrating, detox, brighten, and moisturizer. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different moisturizer plus mask plus moisturizer. And these. Let me see it. Open it up. See what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And the last thing I got was these. And if for those who do not know, I have started keto, so I have to work out. And so these are just some weights. Just weights. That's all these is. 2 pair of weights to help me with my workout. But that's it for this haul. This was just a quick haul, letting you all know, showing you all what I got from the Boxycharm pop-up. If you all want to see what I eat in a day or any of my workouts, please comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know you all will be interested in that, and I will do a video on that. Other than that, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.